guys, this is session number 6 at the Taino Heritage Arieto Day, and we are going to be bringing you some of the sounds of our Yukayeke.
We have music in our bodies. Did you know that, guys? Sounds from the kitchen.
A little bit of our instruments.
So sounds, where do they come from? Where do they originate? They start in our bodies, and we use our hands to clap. Can you guys clap your hands?
What about? What about this? What about this?
And we can use our feet to stomp when we're dancing to the beat of the music.
Let me hear your feet stomp.
We use our voices to sing.
Okay, so what we're going to do for that then? We're going to sing Daka Taino, aren't we? And we're going to sing it nice, aren't we? Yep. Shall I play my drum?
And then we have sounds that we use when we're cooking.
This is me grating my yucca. Can you imagine that? Oh, even pounding the yucca.
And the Tainos, we created lots of instruments.
My Beike, everybody, and I'm going to introduce to you a little instrument, a Taino flute. So this is something I made. Very, very simple instrument, but it sounds beautiful. It needs a little tuning when you put it on your lips. So it's not going to sound straight away, but it sounds a little bit like this. Isn't that wonderful?
So we have our tongue drum that sounds like the Coki frog. Behind us we have our Beike, and she is playing a very special drum. It's called the Hukan, and it's a dugout log, and it has the sound of the famous Coki frog. Tawa, 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 tawa. This is the maraca, and it's made from calabash or gorde, and we put small stones inside, and some people put seeds inside of it, and then we paint it with bright colors, and we dance at our arietos with them, and they help to call in the ancestors, which is just an amazing vibration. And what's wonderful about the maraca is it actually tells a part of our creation story, where the oceans and the waters came from the gorde. So we've heard some of the amazing sounds that come out of the Yukayeke, and we used to use all of these sounds and songs to be able to pass down the stories of our Yukayeke. It would be like a song. You would like when you were beating your cassava or any of the things that you'd be beating inside of the mortar. You would be singing songs, and then you wouldn't just be enjoying beating the yucca to the sounds and the rhythms of your song, but you'd be teaching the children. So you'd be saying, okay, cool. So you grate the cassava, you pound the cassava, you dry the cassava, you flip the cassava, and then it would actually be teaching the kids how to make cassave, you know? So it was actually a very clever way. It was really very, what would you call it? It was like a nursery rhyme. We have our mento songs in Jamaica, you know, and we're still using
Carry
this.
banana, golden state market, not a quati what sell. Carry basket, golden state market, not a quati what sell. So, and yeah, there, see that it's actually telling you that we go to Linstead Market.
Right, and you
that's
take
lots of
ackee.
things, and yeah, ackee
Right.
would go down there, and bananas, and whatever art you had sold, so the kids would know
Right.
that those were the different types of things that we sold at Linstead Market.
Exactly.
I get it.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
totally get it.
Yeah. So our sounds and those vibrations are passing on our stories.
Right.
I hope everybody enjoyed the sounds of the Yukayeke session, and don't forget to like and share this video, and you can make any comments you want below. If you have any questions, we'll answer them as soon as we can, and like and subscribe our channel so that you can get notifications on when we're having more sessions later on today.